Hey guys and gals, it is your girl Marvette from Passive Income Simplified, powered by Brag Differently. Recently, I shared inside of one of the Canva groups on Facebook that you can upload up to 500 fonts inside of Canva. And I had quite a few people asking, ooh, how do I do that? So I want to make this super short, quick video to walk you through the process. So everything starts with using Creative Fabrica. There are other services out there that you can use, but I'm going to show you Creative Fabrica. I will leave my affiliate link in the description. So if you do not have an account, as you guys can see, it is $47. At least I'm on the $47 plan. I paid $3.99 a month or something, but I paid up front for the whole year. It's one of the best things you can have if you are trying to sell digital products. This is a lifesaver, so definitely get yourself a subscription, okay? So once you logged in, and you have access to everything. Otherwise, you can purchase items, but you pay every single time you download versus having access to everything. So once you are logged in, go over here to fonts and click on fonts. And you're going to see all the different types of fonts that pop up. So let's just pick something really quick. Let's go into the display fonts. And one of the reasons I tell people to use Creative Fabrica is because some of these fonts will take your designs and creations to a whole other level. You have probably looked at something and thought, oh my God, how did they do that with that font? How do I do that? Not understanding that they didn't do anything extra to the font because that is the way the font comes, that the font is already designed out for you. So let's take a look and let's do the simple stacked. Commercial usage allowed. Hit the download button. Some of these I may very well already have on my computer. And then let's take a look and see what else is up here. This is the grungy distressed. So let's just go ahead and do that. You can upload up to 20 fonts at a time once you are inside of Canva. So now that you've downloaded the files to your computer, what's going to happen is that they're in a zip folder. You need to unzip them. You have to unzip them. So let's jump over here real quick. Find those two files. Here's the, we're just going to open it up. I like the open type fonts. Just a preference because, you know, they come two different ways. So sometimes you'll see open type font and then you'll also see the true type font. And I'm just going to drag these over to the download so that they are on my download folder. Go back. Let's go back and go to the other one. We did the simple stacked. Yeah, I think I have this downloaded as well, but let's see. We'll still unzip it, put it in the download folder. Let's get out of that. So it's downloaded. Let's go over to your Canva account, and you could be in an existing file where you already have text on the page and upload new fonts, or you could be starting from a blank page. So we will assume you are on a completely blank page. Go over here into your text box and let's just add a text box. And here's your text box. And now we want to change the font. So we want to upload a new font. If you click on here, go up here, it is going to, let's move this out the way. It's going to bring up your fonts. Hold on. Because we want that to be blank. And at the bottom, it says upload a font. And so now we're going to find those fonts that we just did. And we are going to upload. And remember, I said you can upload up to 20 fonts at a time. So highlight them. hit open, hit confirm. Yes, upload away, because you're saying that you do have permission to be able to use these fonts. Now, here's the thing about the fonts. So I always tell people, read through the terms and conditions over there at Creative Fabrica. So you can use these fonts in all of your projects. What you cannot do is use the font. So I already had these fonts uploaded, and it already knows that, but I'm just going to say upload so it can override them. But you cannot use one of the fonts, say in a Canva template, where you are giving someone live access to an actual Canva template. So if that individual does not have the font on their computer, then guess what? They're going to get either a default font, which I will assume that they're going to get a default font, or they may get an error and there's no font at all. But 9 times out of 10, and if someone knows different, please correct me, they will get a default font is going to show up. So use it in your end product, meaning you just created this and you're making a PDF flyer and you're going to download and flatten the PDF, or you're making an image for a t-shirt and you are then, you're selling the image, but you still need to add something to your, you need to create something with it. So don't go out here trying to resell these fonts to people, okay? Because they did not pay to have access to them. But that is literally it. So if we go back in and search for, I thought it was called grunge. Grunge DIY. Let's see. Here it is. And then there is that font that we uploaded. And the other font, what was the other font called? Y'all know I'd be forgetting. Triple Rainbow. All right, let's see. The Triple Rainbow. There you go. And I know we have all seen these types of t-shirts. Look, so instead of you trying to figure out how to do this on your own, let's see, boom, it's already done for you. Do not overthink the process. Do not overthink the process. It is really that easy. So now imagine that you want to make a t-shirt, and again, instead of you having to go through all this extra stuff of trying to get together and figure all of this out, there's actually a font that will do what you were looking to do, and it's just a font. So go on over to Creative Fabrica and get the membership and upload some fonts. It is as easy as that. Thanks for tuning in. Real quick, before I let you guys go, I figured I would also show you this as well. If you are inside of your brand kit inside of Canva, so you guys know you can go into your brand kit, we'll say discard. And inside of your brand kit, I want to go back to I can just do it from here. Okay, so over here, if you find your brand, go inside of your brand, and you can also go to your fonts, click on edit, and here you go. You can also upload fonts here as well. So if you go into manage the uploads, it shows me all the different uploaded fonts that I have uploaded. Or So you can see all the different fonts that you've uploaded. You can also add fonts here as well. Exact same process. So you can do it either underneath of the brand kit, or you can do it the original way that I showed you. So I wanted to make sure that I showed you both ways, under the brand kit or just inside of the text where you see upload font at the bottom. Hope this helps. Thanks, guys.